Welcome back to Goldfries, and in this video we are looking at this, which is the Kingsman. Yes, Kingsman.
Manners maketh man. Do you know what that means? Then let me teach you a lesson.
RGB Memory Kit. It's called Kingsman RGB and it is from AITC. So this is sub-brand of a brand. I'll put links to their socials and all that so you can check them out. So as for the price, I do not have the price for Malaysian market. However, the price for the rest of the world, like in the US, you can refer to sites like Newegg. So being a memory kit, there's really nothing much to talk about other than setting the XMP and running it. So running benchmark, pointless because it will work as any other DDR kit. So in this video, we are looking at other things, for example, the RGB colors on the memory, and which I'm going to show you right now, how it changes colors as I use the RAM kit here with the ASRock B660M PG Riptide motherboard and using the ASRock Polychrome software. And I can show you that the RAM kits, the RGB LED on the RAM kit by Kingsman, on this Kingsman RGB by AITC, works just fine. And as for those of you who want to know more detail like what chip it is using, I ran Typhoon Burner and I found out it's using Samsung D die. So that's pretty much it for this video, just to show you this RAM kit, white color, and it's actually available in other colors. The one with me is white color and it looks beautiful. I know DDR4 is coming to its end of its lifespan, or the horizon of its life, I would say so, but nevertheless we still have uses for DDR4 kit, such as on AMD's AM4 system. There's plenty of use yet. So if you are looking for a nice looking colored RAM with colored heatsink, such as this one, the white color, and I think the RGB color is bright and nice, definitely if it is within your reach, if it's within your market, you can actually consider this Kingsman RGB. I tend to call it Kingsman, but Kingsman is actually just a brand of the main brand, which is AITC. Alright, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.